Good day, grade 9. I'm Ma'am Angeles and we're going to continue our topic about the sum and product of the roots of quadratic equation. So for activity 2.1, we're going to use the coefficient of each of the following quadratic equations in determining the sum and the product of its roots. So identify natin dyan ano yung sum, ano yung product. So kapag ang given natin is x squared plus 4x plus 8 equal to 0. Ang titignan lang natin, class, kapag walang coefficient yung quadratic term natin, x squared lang, tignan lang yung nasa gitna sa kay nasa dulo. So, diba yung nasa gitna natin, positive 4x, ang nasa dulo is positive 8. So, sa pagdating sa sum, babaguhin natin yung sign nung nasa gitna. So, from positive 4, naging negative 4. Yung product naman, or constant term natin, hindi natin babaguhin. Remain lang siya. Remain the same. So, positive 8, product natin, positive 8 pa rin. Then, for number 2, x squared minus 10x plus 50 is equal to 0. So, sum, baguhin, magiging positive 10. Yung product, 50. Number 3, x squared minus 12x minus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, sum natin is 12. Product is negative 24. For number 4, 6x squared minus x equal to 0. Pag may kasama ng number or coefficient yung quadratic term natin, may number na tayo kasama ng x squared. So, ibig sabihin, fraction yung sum or yung product. Okay, so since ang kasunod niya is negative x, yung nasa gitna natin, constant yun pag x that is equivalent to 1, di ba? Okay, so yung negative x gagawin natin positive, magiging 1 over kung ano yung kasamang number ng x squared. So, 1 over 6. Sa number 4, wala tayong constant term. So, the product is 0. Then, for number 5, if we have 5x squared minus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. So, again, may kasama pa rin siyang number sa unahan, which is 5. So, meaning fraction parehas. Yung sum and product natin sa denominator or nasa ilalim is 5. Yung nasa gitna, negative 4, kaya magiging positive 4 over 5 yung sum natin. Yung product naman natin ay 8 over 5. Then for number 6, if we have 3x squared plus 2x plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so automatic yon, meron tayong denominator na 3. Then sa sum natin, tignan natin kung ano yung nasa gitna, 2. So magiging negative pagdating sa sum. So magiging negative 2 over 3. Sa product naman, class, tignan nyo. So, ang given natin, di ba? 3x squared plus 2x plus 12. So, kung lalagyan natin ng denominator yung 12. 12 over 3. Katumbasin ng 12 divided by 3, the answer is 4. Kaya yung product natin, ang nakalagay dyan is 4. Sinimplify na natin yung 12 over 3. Or dinivide natin. Then, for number 7, we have 2x squared plus 20x plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, may kasamang 2, so automatic yung ating denominator merong 2. Pagdating sa sum, di ba meron tayong 20 doon sa ating middle term or sa gitna? O yung 20x, lagyan natin ng 2 sa ilalim. So 20 divided by 2, magiging 10 na lang siya. Since positive siya, pagdating sa sum, naging negative 10. Yung product naman natin, 9 over 2. Okay, so that's all. Okay, now answer the link for activity 2.1 that I will send in your GC through Google Form. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel, Leilani Joy Angeles. Thank you!